jump on your right foot, left foot. It's a very small jump, so don't try to make it big. But the other leg should be straight. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. So you're hopping twice on one leg. Again, 6. Girls should go second. So you're going 1, 2, 3, 4. Hands are going. Girls, let me just tell you what you're doing for this whole part. Yours is simple because they start and then you join the chorus. So you guys are going, after you hold hum to hai cappuccino, hasino. Actually hold the hum to hai cappuccino, then go to pilo zara. So you're doing like a shoulder. Actually don't do it, just don't do it. Pilo zara hasino, then it goes hum to hai cappuccino, to pilo zara hasino. Left hand.
Yes, our hands.
So this goes right, 2, 3, 4, and left, 2, 3, 4. No, which one do you transfer weight?
Yeah.
So right 4 times and then left 4
4
times. So boys are going, when you guys are jumping, you're going hands out. So you're going, cappuccino. Yeah, 5, 6, 7, 8, cappuccino. We'll look at doing something else. Again. Okay, 6, 7, 8, cappuccino. So it's 2 and then 2. Again 6, 7, 8, cappuccino. From there it goes stomp, 2, 3, 4. So stomping 4 times on your right leg. Okay, 6, take it from here again, 6, 7, 8, cappuccino. Yeah, 4 stomps, hands are going right, left, right, left. So you're going cappuccino. No, right. It's a right stomp. Right, left, right. This has to be more parallel, so it's not here, it's more this side. So keep your hands on this side, yeah. You're going right and left. Like, see, you don't have your hands out here, keep them more on one side of the body. So turn your body more, yeah, so it's going right, left, right. One hand at a time. Right hand, left hand, right hand. Yeah, let's try it from here. 6, 7, 8. From there, you do the same thing, but you go 1. Then you do the same step, but you go 1. Instead of flat hand, you go 8. So you go 8, say 8, yeah? From there, same step. So footwork is the same. You're going kick, 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 kick. So it's the exact same thing instead of here. You're going kick, kick, kick. But no more thumbs up. This time it's this. But turn your body. Right from here. Girls do your part. Right from here, from the hip. 6, 7, 8. Remember, don't get your left leg up, right leg. Yeah, for this part, this is 1. Again, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right leg, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right leg, 6, 7. Yeah. Let's try it.
टेलीफोन आ गया।
अरे यार क्या है
हसीनों हम तो हैं कैपेचिनो, तुम पी लो जरा हसीनो।
हम तो हैं कैपेचिनो, तुम पी लो जरा हसीनो।
हम एक पे एक भरी है, इसलिए इतने चावले मारो।
डिंगा 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 डिंग, डिंगा 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 डिंग। ओ दिल वालों के,
ओ दिल वालों के,
दिल वालों के दिल का।
गर्ल्स कुछ किया नहीं किया
वही तो यही सीख हम नहीं कर रहे।
boys do your part and the girls
हमने तो आगे
हम तो हैं हम तो हैं कैपेचिनो, तुम पी लो जरा हसीनो।
हम तो हैं कैपेचिनो, तुम पी लो जरा हसीनो।
हम एक पे एक भरी है, इसलिए इतने चावले मारो।
डिंगा 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 डिंग, डिंगा 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 डिंग। ओ दिल वालों के,
ओ दिल वालों के।
girls for the first part also keep giving a rhythm नहीं तो बहुत static लग रहा है keep moving when आया ये slow है हम
ये वाला स्लो है ये
you want me to make it faster
नहीं ठीक है चार बार है 4 टाइम
नहीं
do it
together
उसके बाद अगर प्ले स्टॉप हो जाए
no I'll tell you what to do अरे इतना तो करो let me see it together
4 and then 1 3 4 yes
हम तो हैं कैपेचिनो, तुम पी लो जरा हसीनो।
हम तो हैं कैपेचिनो, तुम पी लो जरा हसीनो।
हम एक पे एक भरी है, इसलिए इतने चावले मारो।
डिंगा 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 डिंग, डिंगा 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 डिंग। ओ दिल वालों के,
ओ दिल वालों के।
हाँ it's fine ये one hand at a time so both hands shouldn't come out right hand then left hand then right hand then left hand remember the first one is near your mouth because it's saying pillow and the second one is over your head so make sure and over your head don't do thumbs up okay this is thumbs up and this is head can I go on
just one more time.
हम तो हैं क्या हैं हम तो हैं ऐसे क्यों कर रहे हैं हम तो हैं cappuccino and this is let's keep this flat like not standing I was doing sideways but let's keep it flat so हम तो हैं cappuccino तुम पी लो जरा the hold here this other hand should drop तुम पी लो जरा हसीनो हम तो हैं cappuccino one hand at a time and keep this jump small so 6 7 8 हम तो हैं cappuccino नहीं see both are you guys are all doing both hands only one hand ulta so it's like a leaning to the right and leaning think of it more as a lean than a jump 6 7 8 हम तो हैं cappuccino तो पी लो जरा hसीनो हम एक से एक करेंगे हाँ I think thinking of it as a lean helps because when you guys are thinking jump तो थोड़ा off हो रहा है it's just more like a lean and it's a slight slight rhythm there rather than a jump because then it gets too confusing ठीक है from there everybody joins in so actually learn the footwork dip step figure out किया did you guys learn the dip step practice the dip step remember last week I told you guys work on the dip step you have to learn this step otherwise we can't do this step because it's sort of like a basic step for this song so it's your right foot which steps and your left foot comes up it's just just pure. I mean, that doesn't matter. It's more like a down. So you have to almost like think of dropping your right leg and your left knee comes up. So it goes 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. No, you're only doing the left leg right now. Right leg has to go back. So right leg stops back, left leg lifts up. 1 and 2 and 3 and the other side. 1. No, you have to pick up the other leg also. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, start with the right leg up. Then you step it and the left leg comes up. Then step it down. Then again it comes up. Step it down. Up, down, up, down, up. So you have to bend this knee when you step up. You bend this knee. Other knee. This is. No, otherwise see, it looks like a march. You don't bend it. So you have to bend into that.